So today, we're going to be talking about houseplant care. All of the basic foundational information that you'll need to know to keep your houseplants thriving indoors. The four most important factors in keeping your houseplants thriving is going to be light, soil, water, and humidity. So when it comes to tropical houseplants, you really want to make sure that they're getting the optimal amount of light. And that means in our houses, putting them near or close to an eastern or western facing window. Those would be ideal. You can also use a southern facing window as well, but I would put a sheer curtain in front of that just to make sure that you don't burn any of your precious baby leaves. Now, another factor that you're gonna have to keep in mind is going to be a watering regimen. Now, each plant is an individual. Some people would like to go off of a set schedule, but you really need to go off of the plant's individual needs. You can do that by checking the soil daily or even weekly for any signs of dryness. The top 2 to 3 inches could dry out in between waterings, and you never want that soil to get too soggy. So going off of watering, we'd like to talk about humidity a little bit too. Now, in the winter months in Tennessee here, our furnaces can make our houses pretty dry, which is not ideal for tropical houseplants. So in order to combat that dry air and keep our plants nice and happy, you'd want to utilize some humidity, add some moisture to the air. You can do that by creating a pebble tray with rocks and water, or you could even use a mister to add moisture to the air around your plants. For most houseplants, you can use an all-purpose potting soil such as Fox Farm Happy Frog. That would be ideal. It's really well draining and great for most houseplants. Now, what you don't want to do is use bags of garden soil from any big box store. These bags of soil are not great for houseplants. They are utilized more for outdoor material, so they will not provide the right nutrition, the right oxygen to the root systems, and they're not going to let the root systems grow ideally. So some novice gardeners may feel intimidated by bringing houseplants into their home. But with these helpful tips, we hope to set you up for success here at Gardens of Babylon. I'm Mackenzie, and I'm wishing you a happy planting.